what is the value of the cube root of negative 125 plus the square root of 3 cubed plus 3 squared divided by 2. So we need to make all of these weird looking numbers into numbers we can work with first. It's really important to recognize that a cube root is not the same thing as a square root. The first one with the 3 is a cube root. Exponent of 3 is cube. But this radical doesn't have a number, so you assume it's a 2 there, and this is a square root because exponent of 2 is square. And so these things, they mean different things even though they look very similar. And then it's all divided by 2. So first let's find the cube root of negative 125. That means what number times itself 3 times will give us negative 125. Eventually you'll start to kind of recognize these numbers probably, but we can use the calculator. On the class calculators, this is second 0 to get to the cube root button. The cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. So I'm just rewriting the equation with numbers that I can work with. Negative 5 plus, so now I need to do this. It's kind of like parentheses where we need to figure out this before we square root it. So like I need to figure out what 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 is. That is 27 plus 9. So that gives us 36. So this is the square root of 36 divided by 2. We need to go further with making that square root of 36 into a number. So negative 5 plus square root of 36 is 6. So negative 5 plus 6 divided by 2. And now we need to remember GEMDAS or PEMDAS or whatever you do. I know people, for some reason, PEMDAS isn't okay anymore. They want you to say grouping instead of parentheses, I guess because of this. Like this is a scenario where we needed to do the grouping, but there weren't actually parentheses there. So no parentheses, no exponents, so nothing to multiply. We do have division, so we need to divide 6 divided by 2 first before we do anything with that negative 5, or you will get a different answer. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now I have negative 5 plus 3. So we've done our division. Now we can add negative 5 plus 3. I really recommend using the calculator for integers, just because I always see as soon as someone feels confident in their ability to add or subtract integers correctly every time, they mess it up. I'm pretty confident that I can do this correctly, but I'll still put it in the calculator just to be certain. So our answer is negative 2.